Introducing the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. The Silverado 1500 is the full-size pickup that blends a spacious, quiet cabin, technology that keeps you connected, smooth handling, and the toughness you need for all your projects. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, premium sound system, fog lamps, remote engine start, heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.